Hello student, today we will do question number 3 from exercise test yourself of chapter 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 3. Ritu has a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposits rupees 80 per month for 18 months. Find the rate of interest paid by the bank if the maturity value of this account is rupees 1554. So first what is given? P is equal to given rupees 80. N is equal to 18. Maturity value given 1554. So we will use formula this. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So maturity value is given 1554 is equal to P is given 80 into N. N is 18 plus P. P is 80 into 18 into 19 divided by 2 into 12 into R we have to find by 100. This 0 will cut. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. 2 and 2 will cut. 3 6 is 18. 2 3 is 6. 2 5 is 10. And if we multiply this 1554 minus, if we multiply 1440, this is equal to 57 by 5 into R. If we subtract this, so this will be 4 5 4 1 5 4 1. This multiply 5 divided by 57 is equal to R. 57 to have this, so R is equal to 5 to the 10% per annum. This is answer. I hope you must have understood the solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.